Here's welcome to everyone. I'm with you today to discuss the listen narration. That means how to change the direct speech of interrogative sentences into indirect. Let's start. Here the first example is my brother said to me, "What are you doing now? What are you doing now?" Here's here the speaker of this is my brother. So let's write first of all my brother. Now here we know that when the reported speech is an interrogative sentence, we should write asked instead of said to. Asked me. Now you must remember that for assertive sentences, after the object of reporting verb, we wrote here that, but for interrogative sentences, we write question word. Here the question word what? After writing the question word, we should write the person or the subject. Here the subject you, subject or person you. But you is second person. So we know second person will be changed following the object of repeating verb. Here the object me. That means you will be changed as I. Now the verb, or it's time to change the tense. Here, what are you doing now? The direct speech is in present continuous tense, and for present continuous tense, we make it past continuous tense. For making it past continuous tense, we should change only one form of auxiliary verb are. So we will turn it into was. Now doing and time mentioning word now. We know that now changes into then. Okay, it's easy and simple. My brother asked me what I was doing then. Here's let's take next example. Number two, Shifat said to Shima, "How did you learn English? How did you learn English?" Here, the speaker of this is this Shifat asked me, asked Shima. Now we will write the question word how. After writing the question word, we always write subject or the person. Here, the person also you. And the second person will be changed following the object of repeating verb shima. It's a third person singular number. So shima is a girl. We will write she. Shifat asked Shima how she hears. How did you learn English? This direct speech or this reported speech is in past indefinite tense, and we know for past indefinite tense we turn it into past perfect tense. So we will write here had and verb 3 or the past participle form of the verb learned English. Okay, Shifat said to Shima, "How did you learn English?" And indirect species. Shifat asked Shima how she had learned English. The next example is the man said to the guest, "Do you like tea? Do you like tea?" The speaker of this sentence is the man, so let's write first of all the man asked. In the place of said to or instead of said to, we should write asked the guest. Here we know basically interrogative sentences start with two ways. One is with question word like when, what, why, how, and another is with auxiliary verbs like do, have, can, could, shall, should, am, is, are, and so on. So when interrogative sentence starts with auxiliary verb, we should write if. If after the object of reporting verb say to, we should write if, or after the reporting part we should write if. Now after writing if we should write the person, that means sensed person. Here the person or the subject you is second person. So second person will be changed following the object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb. The guest is third person singular number. So we should write he or she. He. Now it's time to change the tense, and to change the tense means to change the form of verb. Do you like tea? This sentence is in present indefinite tense. So we will make it past indefinite tense. To turn it into past indefinite tense, we should write, after the subject, we should write the past form of the verb like. That means like, liked, liked. Liked, now object T. It's okay. The man asked the guest if he liked tea. Next example. Teacher said to the students, have you done the homework? Have you done the homework? Here the speaker of the report is this teacher. So first of all, we will write teacher asked the students. Now we must write here if, because this interrogative sentence also starts with auxiliary verb. If. Now the person will be changed here. You, second person. That means it will be changed following the object of repeating verb. The students, definitely third person plural number, and so we will write they. Now changing of tense. Have you done the homework? This sentence is in present perfect tense, and present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. So we should write had, and then past participle form of the verb done the homework. Teacher asked the students if they had done the homework. Here's the next example is Mahin said to Nila, can you sing a song? Can you sing a song? The speaker is Mahin, and said to will be asked Nila. If second person will be changed following the object, that means Nila is a girl, it will be she. If she, now here's can will be changed as could. Sing a song. Definitely correct. Mahin asked Neela if she could sing a song. If she could sing a song. Okay. Next example, Mr. Kim said to Mr. Trump. Mr. Kim said to Mr. Trump, "Will you fight me? Will you fight me?" That means Mr. Kim asked Mr. Trump if he. For will, we should write would. That means will changes as would. Fight. Me will be changed as him. When the modal auxiliary verb can changes as will changes as would, then the principal verb or action verb remains unchanged. Sing, fight, fight. Because the changes form of modal auxiliary verb could. These are also modal auxiliary verbs. And we know after the modal auxiliary verb, the principal verb or the main verb or the action verb always remain unchanged. According to this discussion, I'd like to give you a self-work. You must try these sentences yourselves. Here the first sentence is, Mother said to father, "Are you busy now?" Second sentence, Nuva said to me, "Will you be my best friend?" My friend said to me, "When do you get up?" He said to me, "How are you?" Teacher said to us, "Will you play today?" Viewers, this is all for today. Thanks very much for being with me. See you very soon in the next class. Bye bye.